Hi. Working like this is fun, working like this is convenient, and working like this is only possible in a convertible, in a touchscreen laptop. And this is where our favorite Apple has been really left behind, because I think it's high time Apple comes up and launches a full-fledged laptop which is touchscreen, because we are a touch generation, and this is where Acer Spin 5 really scores a punch over Apple, and I think over a lot of other laptops, because it's a premium end of the portable, convertible, touchscreen laptop, which has all the bells and whistles, is packed in a fire amino, which can really be a breeze. Now, Acer Spin 5 is quite a unique laptop. It's got a 13.5-inch screen, unlike the regular conventional 13.3 inches, with a 3:2 ratio. Now that is where it gives you a reading pane which is much larger. So in terms of working, you get a length which is higher than the conventional laptops. Now, it just weighs about 1.2 kgs with a mere 14.9 mm thin with a sleek magnesium aluminum alloy body. It really feels very premium in your hand. It has a 360-degree durable hinge design, which is where it really changes the whole game, because you can read, write, sketch or watch anything just by flipping it over. Now, the best part is it's got over 80% screen to body ratio, and you'll have 18% more screen real estate to work on it. It has 2:5:6 x 1504 resolution and 3:2 IPS VertiView display with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. It's got 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor with 15 hours of battery life. We tested it, it lasts you 10 hours easy. It comes with 1 TB PCIe SSD, but the one we have is a 512, and it's got 16 GB of RAM. Now, for a spec like this in an Apple laptop, it would cost you at least 40% more without the touchscreen. Now, should you buy this? Well, I'll leave that to you decide, but if you're someone who's looking to upgrade from an Apple to something which is touchscreen, something which can convert to a tablet, something which is lightweight, something which gives you a good battery backup, 10 hours, which has C-type charging ports, which has a stylus, which has a very unique size of 13.5-inch screen, it's taller, very compact, then Acer Spin 5 could probably be the one that you're looking at. You should also look at the HP Spectre 360 and the Dell XPS. I'll leave that to you decide. I would love to hear your thoughts on the comments below, whether you should buy this or not, and how you like this review. Until then, stay safe.